guys, so just a little update on Max and to Maddie, sorry. But yeah, because like they need a little update. So I just take them back from the shop there. She had got a bit of better because had to go at breakfast obviously. But there, your little hair. So actually we did take Chloe to the doctor's. Actually, because of her arm, it's like been shooting pains, and I think she broke it. So we've got back for another scan tomorrow. On her arm, X-ray or whatever it's called. Cause like if I touched her, she would scream in pain till she like would like get what she wants. Like say it's like a lovely like thing, she would be like so that's a little update because we're going to take her back. But yeah.